This is the craziest video you'll see today. Real Madrid players roasted Yamal even after the match. At the end of El Clasico, when Pedri got a red card, Vini celebrated like he'd just scored a goal, and chaos broke out. He first tried to calm Vini down, but then Lamine Yamal called the entire Madrid team into the tunnel for a fight, and Mbappe himself tried to join in. It took 10 people to hold him back. But the funniest part? Last year, Yamal celebrated Barca's El Clasico win blasting Bailo Rocky on huge speakers. So after Madrid's win, Bellingham played the same song in the locker room and started dancing with Dean Huijsen. Look at Mbappe's face.